Welcome to the Coventry by Carlisle Homes, on display at the Highlands Estate in Craigieburn. Showcasing the impressive Baldwin facade, this home is part of Carlisle's award-winning Affinity collection. Located off the main entry is the master suite, offering the utmost seclusion and serenity. The ensuite, with hotel-style twin vanities, is luxuriously appointed with modern features and fittings. The first of many versatile living zones of the Coventry is the striking formal lounge area. With an open feel, this room is perfect to get away with a good book or catching up for a coffee with friends. With a convenient powder room opposite, this space is perfect for entertaining. Across the hallway, you'll find the theatre room, the entertainment hub of the Coventry. Centrally located in the home is the open-plan kitchen, meals and living area. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, with expanses of practical bench space, a huge walk-in pantry and deluxe appliances. Mealtime will be a treat with the light and bright meals area conveniently located next to the kitchen. Linked to the kitchen and meals hub is the spacious living space, which opens up to the outdoor alfresco. The outdoor alfresco offers year-round entertaining options for family and friends. Tucked away from the main hub is a further activity room, ideal as a kids' play area. The study nook gives you even more versatility, as this area can be utilised for work or play. Further reinforcing this space as a kids' zone, 3 more bedrooms are directly connected or with easy access to a large family bathroom. Carlisle is proud to have won the prestigious HIA Victorian Professional Major Builder Award yet again. Discover why life's better with Victoria's Best Builder.